Well, sources, breaking news that is in fact coming in at this point in time. Sources have revealed that the ISIS recruit Arib Majid has described his move to return to India as a mistake. The Kalyan youth, who allegedly traveled to Iraq to fight along with the Islamic terror group, claims that he couldn't resist family pressure to return while getting treatment for bullet injuries in Turkey. Majid has also revealed to his interrogators that 3 other Indians who had left for Mosul were given menial jobs. The NIA is keen to in fact conduct a narco test on Majid, but only with his consent. He's being given psychological help to tide over his mental ordeal. Sources reveal that Majid, who was a civil engineer, was in fact deployed at the Mosul dam, where he was injured in an airstrike. Well, this is the latest that is in fact coming in. Majid, who was in fact deployed in Mosul, he was injured in an airstrike, was working with the ISIS, and while being treated for a bullet injury in Turkey, he said that he couldn't in fact resist family pressure, made his way back to India. He has now, the latest that is coming in this case is that he has in fact come out and said that he regrets returning to India. Well, sources have revealed that the ISIS recruit Arib Majid has described his move to return to India as a mistake. Majid said that he couldn't resist family pressure to come back. Majid in fact said this while he was being treated for bullet injuries and needed medical aid. Vidya is now joining me live from Mumbai. Vidya, take us through the latest. What has Majid in fact revealed to interrogators?
Well, he has been telling them quite a bit about, all the situation that he had been facing. He has in particular said that there was no one person here who had helped him in getting radicalized. In fact, it was mainly through the internet sources, through the web chats, that through those connected in the UAE, that he was already in touch with in Syria, that those were the people who had actually radicalized him. It was not anyone here in particular, which especially the local agencies here really want to know, because they would be interested in asking him exactly if there are anyone else. But apart from that, he has been telling quite a bit about the life that he had led, the kind of people he met there, what all were the activities that he had been doing. But certainly one thing is for sure, and that we had been speaking to quite a few people from Kalyan, his residence area, though his family is not there, but most of those people living around his residence confirmed, and they say that it was the right thing for him to do, to come back, even though he was arrested, which they are not really happy about. But they are all pleading, they are planning to plead to the government to let him go, since it was he himself who came back on his own, and it was not really an interest only in India when he came here, and after he started talking about his life there.
Right, interesting developments there coming in from Mumbai, while the family members are in fact going to be pleading with the government to reverse the decision of arresting him. Majid there coming out and in fact revealing to interrogators that he regrets his decision to come back to India. We're going to continue to track developments on that story. Thanks, Vidya, for joining us with that update.